Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you the step-by-step process of how to recover a forgotten Google account. So you might have had a Google account and email address, which you have forgotten even the username, or you know the username but you have forgotten the password. I will help you to recover the email address if you don't know it, or even if you know it and you've forgotten the password, how to recover all of that. I'll show you. So first of all, you log in to you just go to your browser. And so if you're on your browser or Google Chrome, you go to you can see, you will see either sign in to Google account or add another account. Okay, so for example, this one, I'm already signed into other account. So if you have other account, you are already signed in, and then you see the add another account section, fine. If you don't see it, even when you log in, you see an option where it will say sign in or add an account. So when you click on add an account, you'll be asked to put the email address. If you have forgotten the email address, in fact, if you know the email address, put it. If you have forgotten the email address, you can put the just if you have forgotten the email address, just put the phone number you used to create that account, if you remember it. Then you click on next. Now, when you come back, in fact, if you put the email or phone, sometimes they will even ask you that, have you forgot email? So when you click on forgot email, for example, that is if you have forgotten the username, they'll ask you to put your phone number. When you click on when you put your phone number, it will take you to the next screen where you'll be asked to put your first and last name. So when you put your first and last name, for example, so like this, and then you click on next, then it brings you to the next screen where they will send a code to you and say, okay, we've sent you a code, put a code that you received. Then after you put a code, then it takes you to the next screen where it will ask you to put the password. Okay, so if you have forgotten the password, you can click on forgot password. Then it will bring you to this screen and it will ask you to use your fingerprint, your face, or screen lock. Then you can click on, if you once you've forgotten it and you don't even, in some cases maybe the phone that you used to even create the account, you no longer use that particular phone, so you can click on try another way. So in that case, it will bring you to this particular part where they will send you another code and ask you to put it there. Then you put it there, then it will take you to the next screen where when you click on next, then it will take you to another screen where you'll be asked to now create a password. So you create your password, then you put the password and confirm it again and click on next. Then it will bring you here and say that you confirm that you are changing your password, and then it will even show the devices where you are still logged in. Then you can click on change password, then it will bring you to this interface. So here you are logged in and you are back to your account. You can just go to your inbox and check your messages and all of that. So that is exactly how to recover an old or a forgotten Google account. If you follow this step-by-step process, you'll be able to recover your account. If you follow it and still need any help, leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact us. Remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. See you in the next video, and bye.